Wind's blowing. Let the oarsmen rest. Let's sail.
You ready?
We're ready.
Let's hoist the sail.
Why are you following us? You want to be killed? Or did you think you'd finish the job you left undone?
I want to go with you.
Don't trust him. He's lying.
Let him speak. What's your problem?
They took me from my land and my family by force. To be a slave. They put chains on my ankles. They didn't let me be an oarsman because of my color. And I got the lowest chores to do. On the day the slave traders burned my village, I lost my whole family. I don't even know whose slave my wife is now, or who my children are serving either. I thought I'd get them back. With the reward money, I thought I'd find my family. But alas, you've defeated me. Not like a coward, you fought valiantly. Since the first day they put chains on me, they only considered me a man. Also, you spared my life. Oruç.
Baba Oruç.
Baba Oruç. I do not have a home or a family to go to. All I can do is to help someone else reunite with their family, if you allow me to join your crew.
Go on.